Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, thick and thin, thick and thin. Thick, something wide and not easy to get through. Thick. I have a thick book. A thick book. That is a thick wall. The door is, or the doors are thick. Yeah. It is a thick and heavy book. A thick and heavy book. Yeah, and this book is thin. So the tree is thick. Did you read that thick book? Did you read that thick book? I am going to read the thick book. I'm going to read the thick book. Yeah. But thin, something narrow and easy to break or tear. My books won't be thin. Yeah. I will not write thin books. This book is thin. Thin. It is a thin book. It is a thin book. How cool is that? The cakes are too thin. The soup is thin. We want a thick soup. A thick soup. I am getting thinner. The more I exercise, the more thin I become. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So thick, and thin. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use thick and thin in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.